Richard with Swiss Watch Expo, coming to you today with something that might be a little out of the ordinary. A lot of times we highlight some of the pieces that are new to our inventory or something that may even be less young or less aged. Today I want to come to you with one of the most beautiful vintage Rolex Datejust I've ever seen. This is circa 1970-71. This is the watch your grandfather wore to church every single Sunday and then passed it down to his dad, who also wore it to church every single Sunday, then passed it down to you. And this watch is in phenomenal condition for being over 50 years old. You couldn't ask for it to be any better. It has your crystal, acrylic crystal with the bubble, which is what I think is a beautiful addition to it. The dial that is slightly different than anything that you'll see today. I just think this thing, honestly, I couldn't talk too much more about this in any other way other than just saying this thing is amazing looking for being such a vintage piece. It keeps true to the Datejust line, and I can't imagine you not having it. Come check us out at SwissWatchExpo.com.